Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to write a program to print a table of a number entered by the user. We will use for loop to do that. So let's start. So the first thing we should think about taking a number from the user for which we want to print a table. In order to do that, we will take n as a number or as a variable, and if we want to take the value from the user, we will use input function. Input, enter any number. Obviously, when we take a value from the input function, it is always of a text type, and since we want a number, we will have to convert it into integer by using a function called int. So we are using the int function. So this input function will take a value from the user, and this value will be accepted by function int and will be converted to an integer value, and finally the value will be stored in a variable called n. So n is having a value for which we want to print a table. For printing a table, we need to have for loop which will run 10 times in order to print 10 values per table. So we will use for I in range 1,11. So this is a for loop which is going to generate starting value is 1 and value is 11, and the step is by default 1. So we will get number from 1, 2, 3 up to 10 because the last value is not included in the range. So this will give us value of I as 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So we want to print the table, so we can simply say print n multiply by I. So that means if the value of I will be 1, we will get n into 1. When the value of I will be 2, we will get n into 2, and when the value of I will be 3, we will get n into 3. So this is how we are going to print table of a variable n or of a value n which is entered by the user. So let's first save the program. Let me save it on the desktop. Print table. Let me run it. So now it is asking for a number, and suppose I take a number as 3, so it will print table of 3. So if you want to do, or if you want to see how it is happening, we can always try to print. We want to print n, value of n, then if we want to say multiplication sign, comma, value of I we want to print, comma, we want to print the equal sign after that, comma, we want to print the value of n multiply by. So this is the way we want to print. So what we want to do is we want to take the value of n first, then this is only a message because it is in double quotation mark, so it is message. Then value of I will be printed, whatever the value inside the loop for I is, it will be printed. Then it will have equal sign, and then n into I will be printed. Suppose the value of n is 3, I will be 1 when the loop runs first time. This will give us 3 multiply sign 1 equal to 3 into 1 will be 3. Next time when the I will become 2, we will get 3 multiplication sign 2 equal to 6 because 3 into 2 will be there. So let us see the output. Save it. It is asking for a number. If I give it 3, this is the result it is giving. So what we get? We get 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6, 3 into 3 is 9, likewise 3 into 10 is 30. Is that clear to you? Hope it is clear how the loop is working and how it is going to print the value for us. If you like the video, press the like button and share the video with your friends. Also subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.